3, 2, 1, go! HPI Wheelie King, and hopefully the GoPro caught some cool stuff. Let's turn you off. That's off. Truck off. Grab the old camera here and zoom out. Wide out. Spectrum DX4 radio, and I was using my cell phone with a kitchen timer. Venom 3000 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. That's what's in the truck. Savox SC0251 servos, front and rear. Of course, a second gen Dodge on the Wheelie King chassis with the stock shocks and a 35 turn crawler motor in it. Hobbywing 1080 ESC. Stock tires, of course. And there's the other servo way in there. Alright, so that's my run for Kevin Talbot's quarantine freestyle challenge thingy, whatever it is. 2 minutes, solid axle monster truck, or as close to it. And since I have a solid axle monster truck, that's what I'm running. Had some radio problems a little earlier. For my course, I'm jumping some metal dually mud flaps that aren't on the pickup. They haven't been on a long time. I don't know why I still have them. Some chain and some jack stands underneath a couple of sheets of press board with sandbags and chains holding kind of everything in place so they wouldn't scoot around. I had a lot of fun shooting this. I hope everybody else has a lot of fun with shooting their videos, and watch all the videos, smash all the like buttons, and it was all for fun. So I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the weekend, but probably watching some of these challenge videos. We'll catch you later.